In this video, you are going to see how to insert the delta symbol in Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, let's get started. We can apply two methods. Let us go to Insert, go to Symbol, go to More Symbol. Select the font normal text and change the subset to Greek and Coptic. And here you will see the delta symbol. Click on over here, click on Insert. And here is the small letter delta and click on Insert. Then the delta symbol will be inserted. There is another method. Go to Insert, go to Equation, click on Insert New Equation. And here click on this equation symbol and you will see the delta symbol. Again go to Insert, Equation, Insert New Equation, and here is the capital delta. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.